In order to add two fractions, we need what's called the least common denominator, and this is just the least common multiple of the denominators. We are working with 4 and 6, so what is the smallest number you can think of that is divisible by both 4 and 6? Now, it may be tempting to say 24, right? 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 is a common multiple of 4 and 6, but it is not the least common. The least common multiple is going to be 12. So we need to rewrite both of these fractions. We'll call them fraction 1 and fraction 2. We need to re-express them with a denominator of 12. So let's change 5/4 out of 12. How can we change this 4 into a 12 via multiplication? Well, that would be times 3. And whatever happened in the bottom, we must also do in the top. 5 times 3 would give us a numerator of 15. So this means that 5 out of 4 and 15 out of 12 are in fact the same fraction. They're equivalent fractions. They're just written in different forms. Let's also do this to the second fraction. Let's change 5/6 so that it's out of 12. Well, how could I make a 6 into a 12 via multiplication? That would be times 2. Whatever happens to the bottom, we must also do in the top, and 5 times 2 would give us a numerator of 10, meaning 5 out of 6 and 10 out of 12 are proportionally the same. They are the same value. So in order to add up 5/4 and 5/6, we really need to add up 15/12 and 10/12. So 15 out of 12 plus 10 out of 12. Now that the denominators match, we can add, but remember, we only add the numerators. 15 plus 10 is 25. Don't change the denominator. This is 25/12, and that right there is the answer.